Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel, and let's see the last approach for passing the data. Okay, till the time we have seen passing the normal primitive data like strings, integers, passing the data via CSV, passing the enums, all these things. Okay, now we will pass the classes object. Okay, the proper objects of the classes we will pass in this particular thing. Okay, so this is a bit complex, so try to understand and let me know if you still have any doubt. Okay, so see, let's start. This is a Pojo class. I hope you understand a Pojo class. We have created a simple person class and we have added few attributes to this: name, age, and city. We have added one constructor, and to fetch the values we have used the getters. Okay, so this is the person class. Now what if I need to pass the data object of this person? Okay, till now we have not seen because we are passing the strings, uh, integers. Like in this case we are passing the strings and integers, and in one of the cases we are passing the array of strings. Okay, so all these things and enums we have passed, but we have not done with example where we are passing the class here, like person employee class. If we need to pass the objects of employees or person, then how we can do that? Okay, so this is what we are going to see in this particular chapter. Okay, so this is the class. Okay, this is the Pujo class. After that, uh, this is the test case. Here these are the three values uh, of Pujo's: Albert, 25, Pune. So basically this Albert will be saved here, Pune, age, and the city Pune will come here, right? These three things. Another object will be created with these three values. So two object of the person I am creating here. Okay, and how? We'll show you. In the normal case, we have seen that whenever you are using the CSV source, string and integer, we are writing here integer and string. Yeah. So this is the string and this is the integer will get mapped to these parameter. But in this case, you will see that we are mapping these values not with strings and integer, but we are mapping with the class person age person, right? So how those value will get mapped to this? This is what we need to understand. Okay, I hope this till this time it is clear. So to map these three values with the Pojo, we need one more class, the aggregate class. Okay, we have to give the reference of another class aggregate with. So JUnit is asking, okay, we will aggregate these value, we will map these three values with the person, but with what? How? So basically you need to create an aggregator. And how the aggregator look like? This is the aggregator. You need to create a class person aggregator. You need to implement this interface argument aggregator, and there is a method which we will override, which is present inside this. You will override this method. Okay, forget about all this thing, don't get confused all this thing. Once you override, everything will come automatically. Just you need to keep in mind that you need to initialize the object. So you just create a new object of the person class, and here you have sending get string, integer and string, and 012 is to mention that you are sending, this is the 0th index, this is the first index, and this is the second index. So basically I'm passing Albert, 25, and Pune here, and Albert will come here, age will come here, and the city will come here. I am creating an object of person. I am using the constructor. I have shown you in the constructor inside this class. This constructor, I am calling this constructor from this aggregator. So once the constructor will be called, one object will be created here. Second time, when I will pass these three values here, again second object will be created. So two object of this class will be created because of these two rows here. And here both the object will be collected one by one, and the object will be passed one by one here. So in the first run, first object will be come, and we can call the getters here: get name, get age, and get city. And in the second run, second object will be passed here. I hope this is clear to you. This is a bit different from the previous approaches where we are simply passing string and integer. Okay, everywhere we are passing the string and integer, but this time we are not passing string and integer, we are passing the object of person class. So this is the object 1, this is the object 2. We have initialized here in this aggregate uh, interface, and with the help of this interface method we are passing the class in this test case. I hope this is clear to you, and because it took a lot of time for me to understand and to add this test case, but I hope I am able to explain you properly. And let me run this case and see. Okay, so here I am printing using the get name, get age, and get city has been printed for first object, and for second object second values has been printed here. So I hope friends this topic is clear to you. Try to understand, try to watch again and again. If you are not clear, or write me in the comment section, I will definitely reply to you. And with this we are done with passing the parameter. It is too much, I can understand, means we have seen a lot of ways, and you should not get confused. In your cases, we are not going to use everything in another project, but depending on case to case, at least you should have some idea. Okay, this much ways are available in JUnit 5. So as the need comes, so you are ready to use the approaches, right? Thank you, friends, for watching this, and have a good day. Keep learning new things. Bye bye.